Are you looking for an alternative to your laundry detergent? Wanting something kind to your pocket, your skin, and the environment? Then you should try the Eco Egg. So join me today as I share my thoughts on this lovely product that I was kindly gifted by the Eco Egg UK company. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts currently because I've been using this for the last 2 months and it has literally changed the way that I do my laundry. And they gave me more products. I was only expecting the Eco Egg laundry starter kit, but look forward to more content. I have the laundry egg starter kit, 2-in-1 replacement for detergent and softener, and it has 2 detox tablets. Refillable egg case is included. Fill me after 50 washes. This is the laundry egg starter kit, non-bio, and it's in the fragrance fresh linen. Refill it after 50 washes. Wow, which is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to try this. Gentle and sensitive skin, lightly fragrance this side, and then it tells you the contents of this. Let us open it up. I was trying to open it up in a graceful manner, but I always struggle to open it gracefully. I always end up ripping all the boxes. We're going to empty everything out and take everything out, and I'm literally so excited to share with you guys how well this has worked for me. So this is the egg itself, such a cute and very amazing design, and these little pallets also go inside the egg itself, and I'm just going to show you guys a step-by-step on how to use just each and every single one of these things. They look small, but they work really amazing and have changed the way I look at my laundry and how I have been doing it for the last 2 months. And they also kindly gifted me the dryer eggs. Again, I have never come across these before. I've only seen people use like the woolen ones, so this is a great introduction to eco-friendly products, especially for laundry, because I've got small children and I'm always on the lookout for ways that I can save money and also look out for my children's skin. So let us dive into how this works. So these are the pallets, so they're fresh linen scented, and then you just open the egg, you just press over here. It's very simple, you just press and it just opens up. You pour the pallets in, and then you add these other pallets inside. Amazing about these little pallets is that they draw out the dirt from your clothes, and the formula is great for people with sensitive skin, as they are no palm oils, no bleach, no chlorine, no enzymes, and they're suitable for vegans and very easy to load into your washing. Once the egg has been closed, you just open up your washing machine and then you just pop the egg on top of your laundry. Is your setting from either 15 degrees or up to 60 degrees, so any setting that you normally would use. Our everyday clothes, they have not got any stains, no grass stains, no grease. The laundry was done, and whether I dried it inside, it didn't have that musty indoor laundry scent to them. They actually smelled so fresh, like I had dried them outside. Even when I did dry the laundry outside, it just was so nice to touch. Like, it felt so soft, and I'm guessing the pallets make it work, and it works so well that it feels like I had a fabric softener on those clothes, but I actually didn't. We live in a hard water area, so sometimes our clothes always felt really hard after they dried, but they felt so soft and so gentle to the skin. I'm really impressed. I really enjoyed washing our laundry with. These are the Eco Egg detox tablets. They highly recommend that you clean your washing machine, detox it every single month when possible, which is exactly what I did with this washing machine. I just put the tablet inside, and the wrapper is actually 100% recyclable, so you can recycle it. And then I turned the washing machine onto the hottest and the longest cycle possible. Deep clean and remove any bad odors, and I took the opportunity to give the whole washing machine a deep clean, so clean the drawers as well, which is a monthly thing. If you're looking for some cleaning motivation, look on the top right hand corner over here for some spring cleaning motivation. That's the whole cycle done. Overall, my thoughts on this fantastic product is it is living up to the description of what they describe the product to be, which is kind to your pocket, because this is up to 50 washes, and it's your washing detergent and your fabric softener all in one. And it is also great to your skin because it left all my clothes and my children's clothes feeling very soft, and it didn't have the hardness that I normally would feel when I do laundry, because we live in a hard water area. So their skin is obviously going to be protected because it works so well having the fabric detergent and the fabric softener inside the little pallets. And also it's great for the pallets can still work to remove dirt from your clothes from even lowest at 15 degrees or 60 degrees, so that is also fantastic. You're also reducing plastic use because you don't have to go buy those big bottles of your detergent. And I also love the fact that you are literally reducing waste, so because everything is coming in these little packages and it's going inside this little egg. I currently love that, and you're using less chemicals in your laundry, especially for people with sensitive skin. So I highly recommend this, and look forward to another video of showing you how I use it on more soiled clothes and how well it works. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. You have a good day. Bye.